Today, we're looking at Cascade-KOOI Reachforks, a simple way to extend the capabilities of your forklift. Operators are able to easily adjust fork length for versatile handling, which increases your forklift's productivity without having to expand your truck fleet. The telescoping action of these forks allow the operator to simply adjust the fork to the desired length to pick up a load, perfect for double deep racking in warehouse environments. Hydraulic reach forks are built to guarantee synchronized fork movement to ensure precision handling. They also feature high-strength steel construction and reinforced heels for improved longevity. Manual options are also available. Reach forks are ideal for warehouse spaces that use double deep racking to maximize space utilization. They also enable single-side loading of flatbed and curtain trucks, saving time and energy. With easily adjustable fork length, they're a great choice for dual pallet loading and handling of variable length pallets. Overall, reach forks are an easy way to add functionality to your forklift while keeping it simple.